To log into your courses, simply go to vsa.flvs.net. Type in your username that you set up originally and the password that you also set up originally. You may have some questions to answer. Please go ahead and answer those questions and continue. I'm going to go ahead and click on my name up here to go to my courses. So I go first to my cumulative academic report, which shows the courses that I'm enrolled in and any courses that I've completed or dropped. I'm going to go to the hamburger menu on the top left, Dashboard and Student Dashboard. This shows me current enrollments for courses that I'm currently enrolled in. I'm going to go to my first course, Entrepreneurship. It passes me into Educator, which is where all the course lessons are contained. I can see my teacher's announcement page, calendar, grade or grade report that shows every single assignment and exam and quiz, assessments, which will only show quizzes and exams, and table of contents, which is where all the lessons are contained. I'm in segment 1, so I'll go to segment 1, and anything with a book are the lessons. So we'll go to first lessons, risks and rewards. Read the content that's there, including watching any videos that may be included. Use the arrow keys to navigate through the lessons. You can also use the notes, print anything that is here, add a glossary of all the terminology that's included in the lesson, show objectives for the lesson, bookmark a page, or go back to home, which is the beginning of all lessons. Just to go back, you click on where you were. Click through the lesson, reading along the way. When you get to the end of the lesson or module, you'll have an assessment to do or an assignment to do. In this case, it says the assessment complete 1-1 risks and rewards quiz. You can do that a number of ways. You can go to your grade report and go to 1.1, which is right here. Or you can go to assessments and click on 1.1. If you click on the caret or the arrow that's there, it will show you how many points are available for this particular assignment or assessment. Click on the assessment. It'll tell you that you're about to go into the assessment. With 0 of 3 attempts, you can attempt up to 3 times to get a better score. Number of questions is only 5 in this case. And enter the assessment and continue. I'm going to return to assessments at this point. I'm going to go back and see my course by clicking on the top button on the right, and I'll go back to my announcement page for my teacher. If I have questions, I'll call the teacher at the number listed, or I'll email them at the email listed. I could also go to a live session, or I can request a DBA, which is a discussion-based assessment. Learn more about my teacher here as well, or continue for my different courses here. Like in this case, I have English 3 as well. So I can switch over to that course if I want. And look at the grade report for that particular course also. And it sees everything's there. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teacher. Let them know that you have a question and they'll be happy to help you. Thank you.